Welcome children, continuity of the lesson The Browning Version by Terence Rattigan. Children, I want to finish this lesson today. Frank turns quickly and seems infinitely relieved at seeing Millie. Frank is a young teacher. He is talking to Tableau, the student, before he sees Millie. Frank turns quickly. When he turns quickly, he finds Millie standing there. He is very much relieved. He seems to be very much relieved. Infinitely means extremely or very much. Now he wants to talk to her. Frank, oh hello. He uses the word hello to address Millie. Millie without expression. Millie does not seem to have any expression on her face. She also uses the word hello to respond. She comes down to the sideboard. Sideboard is a piece of furniture with drawers and cupboards. It is also used for putting food on before it is served. It is also used for putting food on before it is served. Tableau moving up to left of Frank, whispering frantically. Tableau is very much excited and frightened. He thinks Millie has heard their conversation. He wants to know it from Frank. Do you think she heard? He wants to know from Frank whether their conversation had been heard by Millie. Frank shakes his head comfortingly. Shakes his head. Shake means move quickly up and down and to and fro. Frank shakes his head comfortingly with comfort. Millie takes off her cape. Millie, in the meantime, removes her cape, C-A-P-E, cape. Cape, a short cloak, C-L-O-A-K, and hangs it on the hall stand. There is a hall stand, coat stand you can say. She hangs her cape on it. I think she did. Frank thinks that she had heard their conversation. She was standing there quite a time. Why does he think so? Because he had found her standing there quite a time. That is why. Tableau. If she did and she tells him, there goes my remove. Now Tableau is afraid. He thinks if Millie tells Mr. Crocker Harris about their conversation, he cannot hope to have his remove. He is afraid. Frank, nonsense. Frank rejects his words by using the word nonsense. He thinks that Tableau is using nonsense. Tableau is saying something nonsense. He crosses to the fireplace. Frank crosses to the fireplace. Cross means what? Go or extend across. Millie takes the basket from the sideboard. Millie goes near the basket, and where was the basket? On the sideboard. She removes that basket from the sideboard, moves above the table, goes towards the table, and puts the basket on it. Where does she keep the basket? On the table. Millie to Tableau, waiting for my husband. Now she wanted to know from Tableau whether he was waiting for her husband. Tableau moving down left of the table. Now Tableau is seen moving down left of the table, going towards the left hand side of the table. Oh yes, he confirms. He says frankly that he is waiting for her husband. Millie, he is at the bursar. B-U-R-S-A-R. Bursar is a person who manages the financial affairs of a school or a college. And might be there quite a time. Millie tells him that her husband has gone to see the bursars and he may come late. There is a possibility of his coming late. If I were you, I would go. She advises him to leave that place before her husband comes. If I were you, I would go. She wants him to go. If she had been in his place, she would have gone. This is what she says. She would not have chosen to wait. Taplow doubtfully. Taplow is suspicious. He said most particularly hours to come. Taplow with doubt says to Millie that her husband had told him, or her husband was very much particular about his coming. Millie, well, why don't you run away for a quarter of an hour and come back? Millie wants to send Taplow somewhere. She tells him to run away for a quarter of an hour, for 45 minutes, and come back and return. She unpacks some things from the basket. There are many things in the basket. She unpacks some things from the basket. Taplow, supposing he gets here before me? Taplow is once again afraid. He does not know what would happen. He does not know. Supposing he gets here before me, he is afraid. If Mr. Crocker Harris comes to that place before him, what will happen? This is the reason of his fear. Supposing he gets here before me, he asks Millie what will happen if her husband gets here before him. He asks Millie what will happen if her husband gets there before him. Millie is smiling. Millie is now smiling. I will take the blame. Millie was ready to take the blame. She takes a prescription out of the basket. She takes a prescription out of the basket. What is a prescription? A doctor's written statement about the medicines to be taken. A doctor's written statement about the medicine to be taken. She takes a prescription out of the basket. I tell you what, you can do a job for him. She is telling him to do a job for Mr. Crocker Harris. Take this prescription to the chemist and get it made. A chemist is a person who prepares medicines. She wants that prescription to be shown to a chemist, and she wants that chemist to prepare some medicines according to the prescription. Taplow, all right, Mrs. Crocker Harris. Taplow agrees to do it. He says, all right, Mrs. Crocker Harris. He crosses towards the door upright. On the right hand side, there is a door, and he is seen going towards the door. So, children, this was his extra work. Clear? This lesson can teach you a lot of things. Go through this lesson. If you have any problem anywhere, ask me your doubts, ask me your questions. Thank you, children.